Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to enable NFC options and payments in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To enable our NFC payments, we have to go to the settings, then first from the top, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, SIM manager, etc. in connections. And here is NFC and contactless payments. To turn it on, simply tap this little box here, and that's all. Here are a little explanation, and we have excuse me, and we have options to customize some of our functions. And that's all. Our NFCs are now enabled. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.